in a house of mysteries.
This hotel seems to have quite a history, Mr. Gallagher.
Who are you people?
A research team with special powers
Oh my God.
She's experiencing the past.
Because we are all joined by our thoughts.
has uncovered an ancient secret.
I have something I want to show you.
Metaphysically speaking, I killed myself.
But they are playing with an evil force.
What would you do with the power?
You can't save her, Alex.
They have given life to a deadly power.
We're all in danger.
And now a box of little toys
I think someone's in the room, Frank.
has become a gang of little terrors. Pinhead, Blade, Ms. Leach, Jester, and Tunneler. Irene Miracle, Paul Lamont, Barbara Crampton, and William Hickey as the Puppet Master. The Puppets of Andre Toulon. First, they made you smile. And then, they made you die. Blade, Pinhead, Jester, Leech Woman, and Tunneler. Now the show has begun again. And this time, their master is back from beyond the grave.
You brought me back.
And Andre Toulon is proud to present the newest addition to his terrifying troupe.
You may think you got the powers of hell on your side.
Torch. They thought they could unlock Toulon's secrets.
It's amazing.
But what these researchers have opened
No one will escape.
We're all in danger as long as we remain in this house.
is a Pandora's box of death.
Our work must be completed tonight. No more ghostly games, trick or treat.
Puppet Master 2. His unholy creations hold the strings to your life.
I know how to get into things.
The Nazis thought they held the world's strings. But Andre Toulon didn't need wires to make death move.
Herr Toulon has developed a method of animating his puppets without string. It's as if they were alive.
If Stein is even half right, this could be very important to my work.
This is one of the puppets I was telling you about.
No!
Elsa, take what you want, you bastards, and get out of here.
That would be you, puppeteer.
I'm sorry.
Put him into the second car. Take him to Gestapo headquarters. And put the toys in with the toy maker.
Never knew a man who played with dolls before.
Herr Toulon has escaped your custody. We are very close to finding him.
No thing will stop me from seeking you out. And you will cry me mercy. And I will have none.
What is this joke?
draws it takes. Fight it! Here, Tula, you are a genius.
Elsa, this is the best I can do for you now. But you can still revenge yourself.
What is the secret?
No mercy.
You think I'm afraid of this?
You will be afraid.
Puppet Master 3, Toulon's Revenge.
In a hotel on Bodega Bay, a team of scientists will discover a secret beyond their imagination.
For the moment, the secret of my magic and my puppets is safe. Maybe that's the formula Toulon wrote about.
A power that a demon...
It's showtime.
...will kill to possess.
The magic that gives my puppets life was stolen from a tribe of ancient Egyptian sorcerers who pledged their allegiance to the demon lord Sutek.
What Toulon stole from me, we must recover. Now, their only hope lies in Andre Toulon's deadliest puppet.
I am with you, Puppet Master.
Puppet Master 4, The Birth of Decapitron.
Now available on video cassette.
When Rick Myers tapped into the secret of artificial life,
It's the formula.
he became the master of Andre Toulon's puppets.
The future is yours, Rick, as well as the magic. Guard and protect it and keep it from evil.
Now, his new-found power will make him a pawn.
And you say there are 7 of these puppets still at the hotel?
Between a corporation...
Now, once we're inside, what we're looking for are 6 stringless puppets.
and a demon from hell.
The others, are they still in the hotel?
Just pick up anything that looks like a puppet.
Something's not right.
One will stop at nothing to capture the puppets.
You think these things are dangerous?
Oh, please, not ridiculous.
The other will unleash the forces of darkness to destroy them all.
Oh, you are beautiful. We have their magic. They're gonna keep coming until they get it back or until they're stopped.
Oh my God.
Puppet Master 5 from Full Moon Entertainment.
Years ago, they vanished without a trace. Now, Andre Toulon's puppets have found a new home and a new puppet master.
I'm Dr. McGrew. I run the marble show out on Route 23.
Whoa.
Fastest six guns in the West. Six-shooter. Give me a hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Who wants to steal their secrets?
See, I've tried to duplicate that process, but I've never been able to make a living puppet. I've come close.
To create the perfect species.
You see, I want to carve a living puppet just like these. And you're of a special skill, and I need you to carve me a miracle.
But he's about to discover the Toulon's magic.
You may be the first of a new race of beings. A superior race.
Has a deadly price. Curse of the Puppet Master.
What is it? What have you found?
Where? Cyclops. He was one of the first of the family.
For those who think they've seen it all. Now, see how it all began.
Let's begin. It cannot be saved, but the secret must be saved. You can make your puppets truly live. There is little time. Shall we begin?
We shall be avengers.
Retro Puppet Master.
Whatever Toulon's hiding, this looks like a great place to find it.
What is this?
This is a robbery, Mr. Hurst.
Don't you know anything about Andre Toulon?
I know he had a secret, and I know that he passed it on to you, and that could be your death sentence.
You'll never control those creatures. They're mine!
All they want is revenge on their puppet master. And now that's you. Congratulations on your legacy.
What is this place?
2 drops blood.
Come to life, come on. Breathe, breathe. It's working.
Oh my god, look at it!
It's okay, Alex. They've been protecting the Toulon family for generations.
He's found the formula. Hello?
You want the puppets, you need the formula. You want the formula, you need Toulon.
That's it. They're gonna wake up the toys on Christmas.
With innocent blood I summon thee!
Well, I guess you believe me now, don't you?
I want those puppets.
My dream. A soldier who will never die.
Nazis have invaded the U.S. We believe they have taken root in our very own Chinatown.
America needs citizens like you to do their part for the war.
You gotta be shitting me.
This is the army I told you about.
This calls for trained professionals like myself.
Well, we're all you got.
This is no child's plaything.
with America. No!
There are things our puppets can do that not even an army can.
You can control them?
Of course.
Convince me.
Kill her.
Captain Brooks.
Dr. Ivan Ivanov.
Doctor of what exactly?
Don't be afraid, Eliza. He's a friend.
So, my little friend, we will finish our business.
I dreamed of cities in flames.
You dare challenge me, a dwarf!
I have never tried to control them, only to guide them.
Silence!
Warning. This motion picture is one of the most violent films ever made. There are 21 scenes of puppet violence and sadistic cruelty graphically shown. The content and subject matter may be upsetting for those under 18, those with weak hearts, and those of delicate nature.
This cellar workshop is where André Toulon manufactured puppets. It is unclear how many of these puppets were made, though 60 or so of them are expected to be in Postville by tomorrow for the auction.
That's not mine. I don't really know how that got here.
Maybe it walked.
Hello.
Jesus.
Well, you definitely seem like a toy that a maniac would make.
What the?
Why would anybody create a Nazi puppet?
They're little, they're fast. Anne Frank was hiding in your attic. Puppet could find her.
Don't ask. Don't ask.
He's going to kill us all. There are more murders every week.
You have 5 dead bodies.
Miss Ivanov.
This girl, who's shown up out of the blue at every one of our crime scenes.
My real talent is seeing future in my dreams.
We all have our secrets.
You're not like the others, are you?
We are working here to perfect this. I have expanded upon his procedure.
Time for some pitching practice.
This goes high up, and I don't trust anybody.
You are a madman.
I made sacrifices.
You are not